Hi! Welcome back to the HomeWaterCog YouTube channel. Today, we have 10 best washing machines for you, and this 10 numbers includes washing machines from all 4 major types, that is, washer-dryer combos, front-load washing machines, top-load washing machines, and the semi-automatics. Means, this video is for all. Whatever type be in your plan, you can now know which machine is our recommendation. Friends, this 10 best machine list has not been prepared randomly. It's a result of more than 15 days of hard work which our team spent in analyzing the different washing machines. All analysis is based on several parameters. Stating all them will elongate the length of this video. As you know, we always try to keep our videos short, and we mention this in our videos every time, so today also, we will just introduce you to these washing machines. If you wish to learn more about them, please visit our website through the link given in the description box. Now, before we move ahead, we would like to thank our precious viewers for giving excellent response to our videos, in terms of views, but we are receiving very few likes and subscriptions. If you feel our video and our website content is helpful, please appreciate our work by liking the videos and subscribing to our channel. It will motivate us to bring similar contents in future too. Let's move to our list now. At number 1 is the FB Laundromagic 3-in-1 Washer-Dryer Refresher Combo with 8.5 kilograms wash capacity, 6.5 kilograms dry capacity, and 2.5 kilograms refresher capacity. The name of the model is Executive ZXM. Key features of this washer-dryer combo include Power Steam Technology, Steam Spa Technology, Wi-Fi enabled control, 5-star BEE rating. Our second recommendation is the LG 9 kg by 5 kg AI Direct Drive Inverter Wi-Fi Washer-Dryer Combo. Key features of this washer-dryer combo are AI Direct Dryer, 6-motion direct drive technology, Turbo Drum for smart motion, LG Steam Technology, Smart Inverter Technology. At number 3 in our list is the Samsung 8 kg by 6 kg AI Control Washer-Dryer Combo. This one is our editor's favorite. Key features include Eco Bubble Technology, Intelligent Wash with AI Control, Air Wash Cycle, 59 minutes wash and dry cycle, Bubble Soap Technology, Digital Inverter Motor. Our fourth recommended washing machine is the IFB 8 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine with Power Steam Technology. The name of the model is Senator Plus SXS 8014. Key features include Tri-Shield Protection, Crescent Moon Drum, 2x Power Dual Steam Cycle, Aqua Energy Device for water softening, Self-diagnosis through LG Mobile app. Fifth machine is the Samsung 8 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Key highlights of this machine are Eco Bubble Technology, Hygiene Steam, Bubble Soap Technology, Digital Inverter Technology, Wi-Fi enabled AI Control, Digital Inverter, 5-star BEE rating. Our sixth recommendation is the LG 7 kg fully automatic front-load washing machine. Key features include 6-motion control technology, Inverter Direct Drive, Steam Wash, Smart Diagnosis, Wi-Fi enabled app control, 5-star BEE rating. Seventh machine in our list is the Samsung 6 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Key highlights are Digital Inverter Technology, Hygiene Steam Wash, Diamond Drum, 5-star BEE rating. Eighth machine is the LG 7 kg fully automatic top-load washing machine. Key highlights are Smart inverter motor. Smart diagnosis with LG mobile app. Turbo drum. Smart motion technology. 5-star BEE rating. Ninth machine is the Whirlpool 7 kg White Magic Royal Plus 7.0 fully automatic top load washing machine. Hard water wash B 5-star. Key features include 1 to 3 wash system, power scrub technology, hard water wash technology, 6th sense smart sensors, Spiro wash, BEE 5-star rating. 10th and final washing machine in our list is the LG 8 kg semi-automatic washing machine. Key features include gentle, normal, strong, and soap wash cycles, 1300 RPM spin speeds, roller jet pulsator, unidirectional wheels, 5-star BEE rating. These were our 10 best washing machines that you may choose from. As stated earlier, this video was just an introduction to the washing machines. To learn more about them, or to buy any one of these, please click the link in the description box. Thank you.